Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another haul video, and this one is kind of special because it's actually a thrifted and high-end Japan and Korea haul. Most of the thrifted items are actually from Japan because I didn't have enough time in Korea to go thrifting, but I'm pretty excited to share all the cool things that I found with you guys. But before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsor, which is Tokyo Treats and Sakurako. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because these two boxes are New Year's themed. I can't believe that it's literally almost 2024, which is actually crazy. But Tokyo Treats is a Japan subscription box that specializes in limited additional seasonal flavors that you can only get during specific times in Japan. I've never spent New Year's in Japan, so I was super excited to see all the different snacks that they have to like celebrate each event, because I feel like Japan is like one of those countries that have like specific kind of traditions for different types of seasons. So I was so excited to be able to experience like a Japanese New Year's without actually being in Japan and just like tasting all the flavors that they have. They have this little pamphlet like that tells you all the snacks that come inside the subscription box, and there are like some items in here that I feel like would be so that I'm gonna eat on like New Year's Day just to feel like special. But I'm actually so excited for this Sakurako box. Sakurako is on their own special journey, and they actually collaborated with the Hiroshima government to bring this amazing box filled with different and unique snacks. I've always wanted to learn more about Hiroshima and experience their beautiful and unique nature and historical landscapes. So I'm so excited that I can kind of experience it through the different tastes that Hiroshima have to offer. But my parents have literally been loving the Sakurako boxes. I feel like they have more of a traditional, authentic flavor. They do work with local snack makers in different regions that they partner up with. So all the flavors are so different and unique. And I always find my parents rummaging through the boxes. And I come downstairs sometimes and they're telling me about all the snacks that they tried, and they're like, oh, I tried this one, it's so good, but we ate it all so you can't have any. And I'm just like, as if you wouldn't save me some. But I get so happy when I see them get all excited to try all the different types of snacks, because I feel like my parents are the type of people that always like go out of their way to buy things that they want, so I can never give them anything, but I love that I can share this experience with them. So I feel like they make the perfect gift for people that buy everything for themselves, or people that are hard to buy for, just because it's pretty much experience. It's literally like experiencing Japan from the comfort of your own home, and you get to enjoy so many beautiful snacks. I feel like it brings people together, and I absolutely love it so much. But if you do want to pick up your own box, feel free to use my discount code ARENA at checkout or click the link in the bio. But let's get on to the rest of the video. I have a little pile of boxes here, but I think I'm just gonna start with the items that I got in Korea, because I pretty much only picked like 2 high-end items, and they were both from like the Gentle Monster flagship store. But I picked up these sunglasses for Gentle Monster. I think this is their bold collab. So it comes in this hot pink box, and then the case is mirrored, like reflective, which is really cool. The Gentle Monster store was such an experience, but it's blue on the inside. And I got these sunglasses. I don't know like what design this is. It's called the Bando Neon in 8. Is that what it says? Is that an 8 or an S? Or S. Bando Neon in S, and this is in the Gentle Monster Bold collection. It has silver hardware and the stars, and it's just like a nice oval framed sunglasses. They're literally like the perfect like everyday sunglasses. I'm wearing a headband, so that's kind of like hard to wear, but I literally love these. I kind of wish that they had gold hardware, because I'm definitely more of a gold hardware girl, and I'm a stickler for like matching hardwares. I get really pissy about stuff like that. But this is actually in like a really dark brown color. I feel like sometimes black looks a little bit harsh on me, so when I found these and they were in brown, I was like, they're so perfect. The lens is like slightly tilted brown. They do look, oh my gosh, I have makeup on them, please ignore that. But they do look black, but in the sunlight they're brown. And I feel like brown and gold hardware would have been like absolutely perfect. I would have loved that. But I literally love these. They're so cute. I love Gentle Monster. Definitely need to support my girl Jenny everywhere I go. But I also picked up a Tambourines perfume, and this one is the Lale perfume. I have like makeup stains on it because I think I like threw it with all my makeup. But this is, what size was this one? This is in the 50 milliliter. I think this is like the large size, but It smells like florals, and I love a good floral scent perfume. I realized that I never liked popular scents. I always just like floral scents, which is really strange. Yeah, it's such a nice sweet floral scent, and I love that one. But yeah, those are pretty much the only things that I picked up in Korea. I wasn't there for too long, but let's go into the items that I thrifted in Japan. Disclaimer, I actually didn't really thrift that many of these items. My sister thrifted them because I don't have the patience to thrift, but my sister's really good at it, and she picked up some pretty cute pieces, so I'm just going to share them with you guys. And the first one is this gorgeous Burberry navy knit sweater. This one's so beautiful. It has like the Burberry embroidered logo, and I feel like it just has that really cute preppy dark academia vibe, which I love. It's got like some cable knit details, but it's like very thin, like the braid kind of detail down the sweater. It's so cute. Not in the best condition. The label's like kind of coming off, but I think it was probably like around like $30 for a Burberry sweater. That's pretty good, so love that one. She also picked up this navy YSL sweatshirt. So this is just like a crew neck sweatshirt, and I literally love this jumper so much. It has the little YSL logo embroidered at the front, and then it says Yves Saint Laurent embroidered on the back. And this one is in a large, which I absolutely adore. I feel like it has that really comfortable oversized feel and that look that just like, it just sits so well. And the sleeves are like kind of like puffy. I love when jumpers have this type of sleeve. I feel like it just looks like cozy and nice, and then the fact that it's oversized just adds to that really nice comfy feeling. I literally love this jumper. Such a good find. Thank you, big sis. She's a real one, honestly. I steal all her clothes. Also thrifted this Coach bag, which is so cute. It came with like a longer strap, but I didn't like the long strap, so I lost it. But I pretty much just always wear it just like this. I like this color, this monogramming Coach pattern, because I tend to like lean more towards neutral, and I use this bag so much in Japan because it just fits so much stuff. So it was literally my perfect go-to bag. I pretty much carried everything. It has like gold hardware and the little gold Coach logo plate just at the bottom. But yeah, this was also a really nice piece that we picked up. I also found this beautiful Chanel bag at one of the thrift stores. It was like one of those really popular ones in Harajuku. I don't remember the name, but I know that a lot of people go to it. But it is this gorgeous little black Chanel bag, and it comes with the iconic Chanel chain. It's got this really gorgeous quilted like pattern. It's not leather. I'm not too sure what it is, like the fabric. I wonder if it says. I'm not too sure, but it's literally so beautiful. How gorgeous is this? And I like that the Chanel, like I feel like all of the new Chanel bags have the twist lock, and I feel like the twist lock like kind of gets rid of the really pretty classic 2C Chanel design, and then it's just like a button up instead of a twist, so it doesn't have that weird like chunky thing in the middle. Those ones are still pretty, but I just like that this one doesn't have that. So literally love this piece. I also picked up some like little accessories. I found this cute little heart necklace at one of the thrift stores. This isn't like luxury or high-end or anything, but it was just really cute, so I'm going to share it with you guys. But it's like this little gold heart pendant. There was a silver one as well, but I'm obviously more a golder girl. I did also pick up a Vivienne Westwood watch. I have been wearing the hell of this watch, so I'm so glad that I got it. But I knew that this belonged to a girl because when I tried it on, the strap had already been adjusted. So it came like, it's this really gorgeous Vivienne Westwood watch. But yeah, it came with like extra chains. So the person that kept it actually kept it in really good conditioning, so it had like extra pieces, but it literally like fit my wrist perfectly. It has a little Vivienne Westwood logo with the lock design on the inside, and then a little key charm on the side, which I thought was so cute. I like have like a thing for concepts, and I've always liked lock and key concepts, so I just thought that this watch was absolutely perfect, and I had to pick it up. It also has like a little purple like hand, and purple is one of my favorite colors, so I just thought it was like meant to be, so I had to pick this up. So freaking cute. I literally love it so much. But I think those were actually all the items that I thrifted in Japan. I think that was all for the thrifted items that I picked up in Japan, so I'm just going to share some of the like really cute items that I just got in boutiques and stores in Japan. But this one I got at the Vivienne Westwood like red label store, I think in Harajuku. Oh my god, so cute. I have not used this yet and I have been dying to use it, but it's wrapped so beautifully. It is this little grey wallet. I wasn't the biggest fan of this color, but it came in a black and a tan. I didn't like either of them because I don't really tend to go towards black, and then the tan was like not my type of tan, so I thought grey was just like the perfect in between. And I've wanted a purse that has like this type of clasp because it's got that like really cool old school like vibe, and I just love that. And then it opens up like this. It has the Vivienne Westwood logo printed there, and then of course the really big plaque at the front, and there's even like a few like engraving logos in the little clasp at the top. I want to try and see if I can add a chain to this and wear it like a little side bag, because I don't really carry around wallets, let alone chunky wallets. So I want to see if I can kind of turn this into a little purse, because I feel like it'll just be so cute for that. But I love it. It's so adorable. I cannot wait to start using this. So pretty. And then the second big item, this is probably the biggest purchase that I made when I was in Japan, but I bought a Celine bag. Oh my gosh, I have been using this bad boy so much that I'm so glad that I got it, because I was like deciding for the longest time which bag I wanted to invest in, like which luxury bag I wanted to invest in. I'm like a little bit crazy, and I just feel like I need to like collect one brand from every Blackpink member. I don't know why, but I'm just like, I need to have one bag from every single brand that the girls endorse because they're my babies. So I have Chanel for Jenny, I have Celine for Lisa, and I have a Dior bag that I bought in the past. I think I also posted a video about it, but that's for Jisoo. And I still have to get something from YSL to represent my girl Rosie. She's literally my bias, and she's like the one that I don't have a bag for yet, but let's give her a moment. She's so beautiful. I love her so much. I don't even like, I'm so bad at like design name styles, so I don't know what this one is called. Like probably something Triumph, to be honest, but it has the classic like Celine logo plaque, and this one is like the one where you press and it opens up, and then it has Celine printed on the inside. I have been using this bag, so I have like all this random stuff in here. I literally love this. I feel like it's perfect. I always buy so many of my high-end bags in white, and I get so scared that I'm gonna make them dirty, but I feel like this leather is like smooth and easy to clean, so hopefully I don't have to baby it too much, because I feel like I baby my Lady Dior way too much for like how much I spent on it. Like I should just wear it, but I actually get a decent amount of wear of this because I wanted a nice everyday bag, and this was just perfect. And I literally love it. It is small and doesn't fit as much. Now I'm trying to find like a good everyday bag that's like bigger and fits more for the days that I do need to carry more. But in terms of like cute, impractical, when I just want to make my outfit cute, which is most of the time, perfect. Absolutely perfect. But those were probably all of the thrifted and luxury high-end items that I picked up while I was in Japan and Korea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, if you want to support me and my channel, don't forget to check out Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co. Link in the bio, or use my discount code AREN at checkout. Definitely perfect for gift season and sharing with your family and friends. It really be bringing people together, because who doesn't love snacking? I do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!